Hello, sister.
Sat Sahib,
What is your name?
Lalita Jayavandarbi,
Where have you come from?
Pune, Maharashtra, Vagoli.
When did you came to the refugee of Saint Rampalji Maharaj?
7/8/2016.
Did you take initiation after Saint Rampalji after he went to jail?
Yes, sir.
What spiritual practices were you doing before that?
I used to worship Lord Shiva only and nothing else.
How did you worship? Did you keep fast, etc.?
Yes, I used to observe fast and go to temples.
Then why you took initiation from Saint Rampalji Maharaj?
Because I was fighting from multiple diseases for the past 10 to 12 years.
What diseases did you have?
There was a gap at 3 places in my spinal cord and my tailbone was dislocated and I was also troubled by ghosts and spirits. I spent many years with these problems, performed exorcism, took medicines but nothing helped. I got too troubled by all this. We spent at least 8 to 10 lakh rupees on all this. Then the situation got so bad that I was not able to get up from the bed. Friends and relatives started to come to see me, worried that I suffered from so many diseases at such a young age. Different tests and MRI were done to trace the disease, but all the report came out normal, but the disease did not get cured. I was not able to eat anything. I would only drink tea or eat dal and rice sometimes, nothing else.
How did you came to the shelter of Saint Rampalji Maharaj?
My elder son had joined Saint Rampalji since 2009. When I was extremely sick, he came to me and asked if I could come with him to Saint Rampalji's spiritual discourse. I told him I am going to die any day, so take me to the discourse. So I came to hear the discourse, but my pain was so intense that I was not able to sit. Unable to bear the pain, I prayed to God, if you are here, then please heal me here and now. And I experienced such mercy of God and Saint Rampalji Maharaj Remini that when the afternoon prayer was ongoing, I felt like something pulled all the disease out of my body and I fainted for a minute or two. I looked so sick that even my son thought he should not have brought me here. He thought that my health is deteriorating further, but God, Saint Rampalji Maharaj, cured my disease just like that. After that, in 2016, on 7/8/2016, it was the last day that I took any medicine. Neither I was injected with saline ever again.
What other benefits did you get after taking initiation from Saint Rampalji Maharaj?
All these, the ghosts do not haunt our home anymore. And I have a little grandson. Ghost would trouble him daily too. We used to take him to the priest regularly and we had to feed him the food for ghosts. After taking initiation, he has never been troubled by ghosts. Neither have I ever been troubled. Before taking initiation, ghost would trouble me so much that I would scream and everyone would wake up and come to see me. If they asked me something, I used to slap them, but I did not remember anything about that. They would tell me later that I slapped them. I would tell them, why would I slap you if I'm sick? Those ghosts used to haunt me so much. After taking initiation, none of these ghosts or spirits have troubled me. I have no disease now and I'm living a normal life.
Any other benefits?
God, Saint Rampalji Maharaj gave us many benefits every day. In the past, I was not even able to go to the toilet on my own. But today I can do all the work by myself.
As you told us you had gap in your spinal disc, how many doctors or hospitals you visited for its treatment?
I have visited many doctors. At first, I visited our village doctor. Then I went to the Lifeline Hospital. Then I went to Siddhivinayak Hospital and CT Hospital too. But no one was able to help. Doctor said this problem cannot be cured. Neither surgery nor medication can cure it. I request to the doctor for guidance. If there is a disease, then there should be a treatment for it too. But the doctor said they cannot cure it with an operation and I will need to keep taking medicines. I said okay, but I thought to myself, people say there is God. If there is God, then I must find Him and get rid of my disease and restore peace in my home.
What message would you like to give to the devotees?
I am not worthy of giving any message. All I can say is that all my relatives knew that it was the last few days of my life. I was going to die any day. So I would request everyone to listen to the Saint Rampal Ji spiritual discourse on Sadhana channel from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. IST. Listen to the discourse, understand the spiritual knowledge and take initiation from Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj.
What message would you like to convey to people in your local Marathi language?
In Marathi language, I would say that
जो काही प्रॉब्लेम मला होता आणि ज्या आजारातून मी मुक्त झाले, मला भूतबाधा प्रेतबाधा होती, त्याच्यातून मी हे सत्संग ऐकले, ऐकून मी समजून घेतलं आणि नामोपदेश घेतला. नामोपदेश घेतल्याच्या नंतरून त्याच क्षणी परमात्माने संत रामपालजी महाराज यांनी माझा आजार मुळापासून काढून टाकला.
Thank you so much.
Sat Sahib.